I am Danielle Jacobs from Beltug, the Association of CIOs and Digital Technology Leaders. I'm very honored to speak to you all at this very special evening. Beltug and BIPT have a very long history. Even more than 30 years ago, before BIPT was formally established, we already had discussions. And the first topic was the abolition of the mandatory maintenance on telephone exchanges. In the meantime, plenty of topics were discussed. Just to name a few, intercoverage for mobile communications, the market shares on the business market, fixed-to-mobile tariffs, 5G and roaming. Regardless of the topic, there is one common theme, and that is the need for competition, always. Across these years, technology evolved, and telecoms became an important pillar in the digital world. The impact of digital technology on the economy and the society is clear. 5G and fiber will be the infrastructures of the future. In the meantime, digital services already account for 20% of world trade, and data are central in the policy of each organization. This will bring two major shifts for the role of BIPT. Data are more and more in the cloud. About 30 years ago, the European Commission broke up the telecommunications monopolies. In Belgium, this was done by BIPT. But now, companies face a lock-in at a much higher level in the cloud market. Several new European regulations foresee more powers for the regulators. Just to name a few: Data Act, AI Act and NIS2. At Beltug, we believe BIPT will play an ever-increasing role. We do not know yet which will be the new competences of the BIPT, but we know its role will be important. How digitization in Belgium will evolve will largely depend on BIPT. So we have a lot of challenges ahead, and so I wish you a very happy birthday.